Hello, I'm Mike, that helpful dad, and today I'm inviting you to enjoy an audio session about affirmations. Affirmations are a form of positive self-talk that have the power to change what you believe to be true about yourself, and over time, affirmations can transform your reality. Are you ready to get started? Let's begin our affirmations about living a legacy life. I am fully present when I am with my family. I recognize and appreciate the now moments of life. My best years are ahead of me. I am entering them now. I am happy, content, and fully engaged in my life now. I am a great parent. I spend time with my children doing what they want to do, and I am actively in the moment when I am with them. I love my life. I focus on the now moments and appreciate them for what they are. They are the marrow of life. I am grateful for the blessings of God and for all the good things He has given our family. I am happy, and I know my life matters because I matter to my family and I am helping them find personal fulfillment. I am alive. I have hope. I am here now, and that means I still have a chance to do good things. I am choosing to act now. I live in the present moment. I recognize and appreciate the now moments of life. I am a loving partner. My significant other knows that I love and support them. I enable them to reach their dreams, and I am the rock from which they can soar. When given the chance, I dance for my own happiness and so that my family can see a role model to inspire them to have fun. I am living a legacy life. Every day is a step in the right direction. If I make just a little progress, it's been a positive day. I am consciously aware of my time and make sure to savor it. I live in the moment. I suck out the marrow of life and enjoy every drop. I am happy with my life. I don't need lots of material possessions. I simply enjoy each day and cherish the now moments that I am living. I love my children. They are the joys of my life. I choose to spend time with them today because I know that time is so precious. I trust the flow of life. I know that God has me on the path that is pursuing my legacy life. My life is not complicated. I live it as it comes and find the beauty that is all around me. I live in the moment. I focus on this instant and I understand that the only life I can live is right now. I am happy. I am content. I love my family. They love me, and we are together. That is the recipe for happiness. I live for the now, enjoying my life as I am living it, and happily sharing my essence with the ones I love. I actively choose to spend my time with my family and be present with them. I am happy. I am enjoying my life now. This is my time, our time. Regardless of what happens with the external world, I know that my happiness lies with the legacy I am creating. I live for the now moments of life. I am happy. I am content. I enjoy the flow of life and consciously recognize and cherish the now moments that occur every day. I am happy with my life. I don't focus on my troubles. Instead, I focus on what's good and try to cherish the moments that I am living. I am content with God. I know that I am where I need to be right now and well equipped to live my best life. In spite of obstacles, I always find a way to focus on my life's journey. I keep running my race and living in the moment because I know that now is life. I am consciously aware of my life's focus, and I spend time on my life's path. It brings me fulfillment. My verse provides value to the world. I am vital to the great play of life. I am consciously aware of my legacy goals, and I proactively make decisions about how I spend my time. I spend my time on my legacy goals because I know that leads to life fulfillment. I am living in the now. I am happy, I am content, and I keep going with eagerness every day. I enjoy the moments that make up each day, and I can find something positive about every day. I am full of vibrant energy. I am alive with life. I am powerful, strong, and able to overcome any obstacle in order to continue on my legacy life path. I am grateful for the good things in my life. I love living my legacy life. I am happy to be me and to live the life I've been blessed with. I practice self-discipline, and I maintain a clear focus on my legacy life goals. I am a doer. I am a finisher of the tasks that build my legacy. I am a creator, not a critic. I am an artist, and my tapestry is my life. I live in the moment, and I am fully present with whatever task I am doing. I am happy. I am here. I am alive. I am healthy, and this is my moment to let my light shine. I am consciously aware of my legacy life goals, and I work every day to live my best life. During periods of self-doubt, I focus on my legacy goals because I know with conscious awareness that my legacy is my purpose, and doing my legacy work is the work of life. I create my own happiness by spending time on my legacy life activities. I am love. I am loved. I am a light to others that brightens their day. I live with an attitude of gratitude, and my gratitude is contagious to others. I don't take myself too seriously because I have the wisdom to know it's better to laugh at yourself and go with the flow than get frustrated over life's minor challenges. I am happy. I am content. I don't crave riches. I am happy because I want what I have, and I have what I need. My mind is a sea of happiness. I am grateful to be alive. I am full of joy and thankfulness, and I welcome each day with an attitude of gratitude and hope. And there you have 50 affirmations for living your legacy life. I want to thank you for listening. Again, this is Mike, that helpful dad, and I hope these affirmations were helpful to you, and if they were, to be sure to share them with a friend. Until next time, remember, yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, but today is a gift. That's why they call it the present. So enjoy it.